Here's a 2012 Ford Edge. Stay cool, calm, and connected in this confident cruiser. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V6 engine, dual zone climate control, voice activation, rear parking sensors, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth, sync external memory control, aluminum wheels, selective service internet access, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. This from the Los Angeles Times. The Edge is a terrific looking piece of machinery, short coupled and athletic, with a long rakish windshield and handsome grille resembling a triple bladed razor. The Edge has a deliberate and sporty stance that a lot of CUVs coming off as neutered SUVs are missing. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Hurry in today for a test drive.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.